areas in the delta, in the rivers, in Edo, in everywhere. Bayelsa, rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, we are reaching out. We are using sensitization. We are using sensitization on culture, because the awakening now is about identity and culture. The people are coming up. The people are growing up to demand for answers, to demand for proper history. They are demanding it. They are demanding it. Proper history. Proper history. It is about identity revolution. Our cultural revolution. Are you with me? Thank you. I can tell you that I am a traveler. I have been to these places. As a traveler, I have been to Sagbama local government area in Bayelsa, in communities like Osekwenike, Osifo, Ebueto. These are Igbo communities that are carved into Bayelsa. They are within the banks, the River Niger. River Niger all through. So in Bayelsa, you know, they have other communities, the Onya people, that are also in Ndokwa East. In Ndokwa East. So these things are what we are dedicating ourselves to be doing, to be sensitizing our people, to be going, to be preaching this gospel, letting people know that we have similar things here. Most of them does not know what as yam being the king of staple crops. So very, very important. Very, very important that we continue doing this. My conversation with a brother today, all the way from Canada, an Igbo man, he gave me hope that a lot of Igbo are out there who are ready, who are willing to put in, to contribute their ideas to rebuild Igbo. It is in our hands. We are on this movement with everything in us. We are passionate about the unification of Igbo. We are passionate about reawakening the cultural consciousness of Igbo. Why I was talking about women. Women should be part of this. And I'm inviting more women to join us. Are you in Nigeria? Are you in abroad? Anywhere?